Welcome, body explorers! Let's dive inside the human body and test your knowledge on our amazing organs and systems. Which hardworking organ pumps blood all around your body? Is it A, lungs, B, heart, or C, stomach? It's B, heart. It beats constantly to pump oxygen-rich blood. Which pair of organs fills up with air when you take a deep breath? Is it A, lungs, B, kidneys, or C, liver? It's A, lungs. They expand to take in vital oxygen. Which organ acts as the control center for your entire body? Is it A, heart, B, liver, or C, brain? It's C, brain! It controls everything you do and think. Where does your food go right after you swallow it to be broken down? Is it A, stomach, B, heart, or C, lungs? It's A, stomach. Strong acids mix and digest your food. What is the name of the hard structure that supports your body and protects your organs? Is it A, muscles, B, skeleton, or C, skin? It's B, skeleton. Bones give your body its shape. What is the largest organ of the human body, which covers you from head to toe? Is it A, skin, B, liver, or C, brain? It's A, skin. It protects you from germs and temperature. What are the hard, white structures in your mouth used to chew food? Is it A, bones, B, teeth, or C, tongue? It's B, teeth. They are the body's hardest parts. Which organ system allows your body to move around and stay active? Is it A, muscular system, B, nervous system, or C, digestive system? It's A, muscular system. Muscles pull bones to help you move. Which organs are responsible for your sense of sight? Is it A, ears, B, nose, or C, eyes? It's C, eyes. They capture light to show you things. Which organs collect sound waves so that you can hear music and voices? Is it A, ears, B, eyes, or C, nose? It's A, ears. They catch sound vibrations in the air. Which organ in your mouth is covered in tiny taste buds? Is it A, teeth, B, tongue, or C, lip? It's B, tongue. It detects all your favorite flavors. Which bean-shaped organs filter waste and extra water out of your blood? Is it A, lungs, B, stomach, or C, kidneys? It's C, kidneys. They clean your blood and make urine. Which organ is responsible for smelling cookies baking in the oven? Is it A, nose, B, mouth, or C, ear? It's A, nose. It detects scent particles in the air. Which large organ cleans toxins out of your blood and produces bile to help digest fat? Is it A, brain, B, liver, or C, heart? It's B, liver. It is your body's chemical processing factory. Where is most of the water absorbed from digested food before it leaves the body? Is it A, stomach, B, large intestine, or C, small intestine? It's B, large intestine. It absorbs water from leftover food waste. Where does the actual absorption of nutrients from your food take place? Is it A, small intestine, B, esophagus, or C, stomach? It's A, small intestine. Nutrients enter your bloodstream here. What is the scientific name for the windpipe that carries air to your lungs? Is it A, esophagus, B, trachea, or C, bronchus? It's B, trachea. This sturdy tube connects throat to lungs. What is the tube that connects your throat directly to your stomach? Is it A, esophagus, B, trachea, or C, artery? It's A, esophagus. It pushes swallowed food down. Which hollow organ stores urine until your body is ready to release it? Is it A, gallbladder, B, kidney, or C, bladder? It's C, bladder. This stretchable muscle holds urine. Which set of bones forms a cage to protect your heart and lungs? Is it A, rib cage, B, skull, or C, pelvis? It's A, rib cage. It acts as a protective shield. What bundle of nerves runs down your back and connects your brain to the rest of your body? Is it A, spinal cord, B, ribs, or C, aorta? It's A, spinal cord. It is the main highway for messages. Which small, pear-shaped organ stores the green digestive juice called bile? Is it A, spleen, B, gallbladder, or C, pancreas? It's B, gallbladder. It stores bile to break down fats. Which organ produces the hormone insulin to help control your blood sugar levels? Is it A, pancreas, B, liver, or C, kidney? It's A, pancreas. It releases insulin to manage sugar. What type of blood vessels carry blood away from your heart to the rest of your body? Is it A, veins, B, capillaries, or C, arteries? It's C, arteries. They carry oxygen-rich blood away. Which specific cells in your blood are responsible for carrying oxygen? Is it A, red blood cells, B, white blood cells, or C, platelets? It's A, red blood cells. They deliver oxygen to tissues. Which cells in your immune system fight off viruses, bacteria, and other harmful invaders? Is it A, red blood cells, B, white blood cells, or C, platelets? It's B, white blood cells. They destroy harmful germs. What tough protective material are your fingernails and toenails made of? Is it A, calcium, B, keratin, or C, collagen? It's B, keratin. The same protein is in hair. What dome-shaped muscle under your lungs helps pull air in and push it out? Is it A, diaphragm, B, abdominals, or C, pectorals? It's A, diaphragm. It contracts to help you breathe. Which butterfly-shaped gland in your neck controls your body's metabolism and energy use? Is it A, pituitary, B, thyroid, or C, adrenal? It's B, thyroid. It regulates your body's energy. Which organ filters old red blood cells and acts as a reservoir for fighting infections? Is it A, spleen, B, gallbladder, or C, appendix? It's A, spleen! It recycles cells and fights infections. What are the tiny, grape-like air sacs at the end of your lung branches called? Is it A, bronchioles, B, alveoli, or C, villi? It's B, alveoli. Oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide. Which part of your brain is located at the back and controls balance and coordination? Is it A, cerebrum, B, brainstem, or C, cerebellum? It's C, cerebellum. It coordinates your balance and movement. What is the longest and strongest bone in the human body? Is it A, femur, B, tibia, or C, humerus? It's A, femur. Your thigh bone supports your weight. What is the smallest bone in the human body, located inside your middle ear? Is it A, malleus, B, incus, or C, stapes? It's C, stapes. It is only 3 millimeters long. What flap of cartilage folds down over your windpipe when you swallow food? Is it A, epiglottis, B, pharynx, or C, uvula? It's A, epiglottis. It prevents food from entering airways. Which glands in your mouth produce saliva to start breaking down starch in food? Is it A, salivary glands, B, thyroid glands, or C, adrenal glands? It's A, salivary glands. They begin chemical digestion. Which tiny cell fragments in your blood clump together to form a scab when you get a cut? Is it A, red cells, B, platelets, or C, plasma? It's B, platelets. They stop you from losing blood. What tough bands of connective tissue attach your muscles to your bones? Is it A, ligaments, B, tendons, or C, cartilage? It's B, tendons. They transfer muscle force to bones. What tough bands of tissue connect bones to other bones to hold joints together? Is it A, ligaments, B, tendons, or C, muscles? It's A, ligaments. They stabilize and hold joints together. Which spiral, snail shell-shaped structure in the inner ear converts sound into electrical signals? Is it A, tympanum, B, cochlea, or C, vestibule? It's B, cochlea. Fluid and hairs create nerve impulses. What is the light-sensitive layer of tissue at the back of the eye that acts like a camera screen? Is it A, cornea, B, lens, or C, retina? It's C, retina. It captures light for the brain. Which bean-shaped structures in your lymphatic system filter out germs and swell up when you are sick? Is it A, lymph nodes, B, adrenal glands, or C, tonsils? It's A, lymph nodes. They filter waste and germs. What are the microscopic filtering units inside your kidneys called? Is it A, nephrons, B, neurons, or C, alveoli? It's A, nephrons. They filter waste from your blood. What is the fatty protective sheath that wraps around nerve fibers to speed up electrical signals? Is it A, myelin, B, synapse, or C, dendrite? It's A, myelin. It insulates nerve fibers for speed. What are the tiny finger-like projections lining the small intestine that increase nutrient absorption? Is it A, cilia, B, villi, or C, microtubules? It's B, villi. They maximize absorption of nutrients. Which specialized cells in the epidermis produce the pigment that gives skin its color? Is it A, melanocytes, B, keratinocytes, or C, fibroblasts? It's A, melanocytes. They produce protective skin pigment. What is the continuous muscular passage through which food travels from your mouth to your exit? Is it A, alimentary canal, B, lymphatic canal, or C, endocrine pathway? It's A, alimentary canal. It is the digestive pathway. What are mature, living bone cells that maintain the mineral structure of your bones called? Is it A, osteoclasts, B, osteocytes, or C, osteoblasts? It's B, osteocytes. They monitor your bone health. Which part of the brainstem regulates automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure? Is it A, medulla oblongata, B, pons, or C, hypothalamus? It's A, medulla oblongata. It controls automatic vital functions. What is the natural pacemaker of the heart, which initiates the electrical signal for a heartbeat? Is it A, AV node, B, SA node, or C, Purkinje fibers? It's B, SA node. It generates your heartbeat signals. What is the only bone in the human body that does not connect to any other bone? Is it A, patella, B, clavicle, or C, hyoid? It's C, hyoid. It is anchored only by muscles. What is the network of capillaries inside a nephron that filters fluid into the kidney tubule? Is it A, glomerulus, B, loop of Henle, or C, ureter? It's A, glomerulus. It filters fluid out of blood. Which organelles are known as the power generators inside human cells? Is it A, ribosomes, B, mitochondria, or C, lysosomes? It's B, mitochondria. They generate chemical energy. Which tissue type lines the outer surfaces of organs and blood vessels, as well as the skin? Is it A, connective tissue, B, nervous tissue, or C, epithelial tissue? It's C, epithelial tissue. It forms protective barriers. What flexible, rubbery tissue cushions the ends of bones inside your joints? Is it A, cartilage, B, ligament, or C, tendon? It's A, cartilage. It absorbs shocks between bones. What type of sweat glands are found all over the body and primarily help regulate temperature? Is it A, sebaceous glands, B, eccrine glands, or C, apocrine glands? It's B, eccrine glands. They cool down the body. How many body mysteries did you solve today? Tell us your score below and subscribe for more fun adventures.